Hi, this is James. I'm just starting a new channel because I've got a goofy side to me and I like to change the words to songs. I've been living in a large city now, larger city here in Kansas City for the last 3 months, and occasionally at night you hear the sound of sirens in the background. So this is Simon and Garfunkel's song Sound of Silence, but now the words have changed and this is the sound of sirens. So I was going to do it with a piano background, but everything I found had some kind of background where people would sing the backup parts, and obviously those words don't fit what this is. So here we go. Hello, darkness, my old friend. It's late, but I am up again. It's 3 a.m., I should be sleeping. Bad guys are outside, they are creeping. And they're driving up and down the sidewalk. Outside tonight, I hear the sound of sirens. I had restless dreams, now I'm alone. Ate ice cream without a cone. So I went to take a bite. I wish that I could say goodnight. And my neighbor got stabbed by a psychopath. He's lost his mind. So here comes the sound of siren. And I just saw a naked man running down the street again. Where the heck are his clothes? Why he's naked, nobody knows. While I'm writing a song I don't want to share, the streak someone dared, and now we hear the sound of sirens. You are a fool, you do not know. Crime like a cancer grows. It's late, why are you speaking? You are loud, I should be sleeping. But my words you ignore all night. It's such a night until you hear the sound of sirens. And now I bow and pray to my God who loves me, yea. And the cops, they chase the bad guys. Finally, it's quiet tonight. So I'm reading my Bible here on a comfy couch. I fell asleep, even with the sound of sirens. Hope you liked it. Still needs some tweaking, but who cares? We're just trying to deal with life and deal with things and be creative and just get through each day and trust the one above to get us through. So, like I said earlier, if you liked it, please click like and subscribe. And hope you have a great day.